Cat breeds and their country of origin. Cats are liked by many people all over the world. And they have a long history of being tamed and evolving into different breeds. A lot of the time, these breeds have unique traits and come from certain countries or areas. We will talk about some of the most famous cat breeds and the places where they came from or are popular now in this video. Finding out where these breeds came from can help you understand their unique behaviors and traits, as well as the traditional meanings of cats in different parts of the world. 1. Siamese Cat. The Siamese cat comes from Thailand, which used to be called Siam. It is one of the most famous and oldest kinds of cat. The smooth, thin bodies, almond-shaped blue eyes, and color-pointed fur of these beautiful cats make them stand out. Siamese cats have a long past and are often linked to Thai temples and royalty. They came to the West for the first time in the late 1800s and quickly became famous because of how beautiful they were and how friendly they were. 2. Cat from Iran. The Persian cat is thought to have come from Persia, which is now Iran. It has beautiful long fur and a friendly personality. Persians are one of the oldest cat breeds still around today, and people have loved them as pets for hundreds of years. Their long, flowing coats need to be brushed often, and cat lovers all over the world love them because they are calm and gentle. 3. The Maine Coon. The Maine Coon is a type of cat that comes from the state of Maine in the United States. For their big size, tufty ears, and friendly personality, Maine Coons are often called gentle giants. It is thought that these cats emerged from domestic cats that were bred with semi-wild cats in the rough Maine wilderness. This is one reason why they are so strong and tough. 4. The Scottish Fold. People know the Scottish Fold breed by the way its ears are folded. The name comes from the fact that this breed comes from Scotland. The genetic change that causes the folded ears is thought to have happened in farm cats in the Tayside area in the 1960s. The sweet and loving traits of Scottish Folds make them a popular choice among cat lovers all over the world. 5. The Bengal Cat. The Bengal cat breed came from Asia but was created in the United States. Bengal cats were made by mating Asian leopard cats with house cats. This breed is famous for having beautiful spots that look like leopard spots and for being lively and busy. The goal was to make a house cat that looked like a wild leopard but was friendly and easy to get along with. 6. Raggedy Cat. The Ragdoll Cat is an American breed that was first made in California in the 1960s. They are known for being big, having beautiful blue eyes, and being calm. People call ragdolls puppy cats because they are friendly and easygoing. Their name, Ragdoll, comes from the fact that they are easy to handle and hug, because they fall flat when they are picked up. 7. Siberian Blue. This breed of cat comes from Siberia, as its name says. People love these cats because of their beautiful bluish-gray fur and bright green eyes. They are quiet and calm, which makes them great pets and friends. 8. Turkish Van. The Turkish Van breed of cat comes from Turkey, especially the Lake Van area. Turkish Vans are easy to spot because they are usually white with colored stripes on the head and tail. They are also good swimmers and like to play and explore. 9. Burmese. These cats come from Burma, which is now Myanmar. They have smooth, chocolate-colored bodies and are known for being friendly. Burmese cats are friendly and like to play with their people friends. 10. Nordic Forest Cat. The Nordic Forest Cat, also known as the Veggies, is from Norway. They are strong and have thick fur that doesn't get wet. Their ears are curled. These cats are known for being nice and gentle, and they are great at climbing. Abyssinian. It is thought that Abyssinian cats came from Ethiopia, which used to be called Abyssinia. They look wild because their short, tipped coat makes them stand out. The Abyssinians are very busy, smart, and fun cats. 12. Manx, the Isle of Man, which is in the Irish Sea, is where the Manx Cat comes from. They are easy to spot because they don't have tails or have very short tails. Manx cats are friendly and usually form close bonds with their owners. 13. Japanese Bobtail. The Japanese Bobtail is from Japan, as its name says. These cats are known for being friendly and playful, and their tails are bobbed in a unique way. In Japanese society, they are often seen as signs of good luck. 14. Sphynx. Despite their name, Sphynx cats did not come from Egypt. Canada and the US were the first places to work on them. People know these hairless cats for having wrinkled skin and being friendly. Even though they don't have fur, their skin needs regular care to stay healthy. 15. Siamese. We already talked about Siamese cats. But it's important to remember that they come from Thailand, Siam. Siamese cats are known for their beautiful color-pointed coats, blue eyes that look like almonds, and loud personalities. These are just a few examples of the many different and interesting cat breeds that come from all over the world. Each has its own history, looks, and personality. People all over the world are still fascinated by cats. And cat lovers are always trying to create new and unique breeds. Cats are loved pets all over the world, and each breed has a fascinating history that is tied to a different country or area. What makes these breeds special? Knowing where they came from helps us understand their unique qualities and how cats are important in different parts of the world. There are many types of cats, from the Royal Siamese in Thailand to the luxury Persians in Iran to the playful Bengals in the United States. Each breed has its own unique charm.